What's up, guys? Dave here again. If you're dealing with the clutch side of your bike, like if you're just changing out clutch plates, clutch springs, anything relating to the clutch actually, or just putting on a new cover like I'm doing here, just lay the bike on its side. That's all you have to do. The oil will not come pouring out. Easy as you please. I'm replacing this one because it's got a little nick on the top of it there. Got that from motorsport.com, but you can get it from any Parts Unlimited dealer. But I just want to show you that. Put the handlebar up on a work stand on the left side there. If you have, a petcock, make sure you turn the petcock off. This is a fuel-injected bike, though, so it doesn't have that. And that's all there is to it. Looks fantastic. Make sure you check out our other videos about this bike. We got all kinds of stuff we've been doing, little freshening up to this awesome bike. This is a 2023 Honda CRF 450 RWE Works Edition. Laying on its side, getting a new clutch cover put on. And yeah, look at the description for all of our social media links and our eBay and Amazon store links. Check it out. Y'all have a good evening.